Hello everyone, my name is Marie and welcome back to my channel.
Girl, I must.
If you're new here, hi, my name is Marie and on this channel we are talking all things fashion, beauty and, as of today, life hacks. Are you guys on TikTok? I am not gonna lie, I have jumped on the TikTok train a while ago. If you are still thinking that TikTok is just a bunch of kids lip-syncing to songs or doing silly dances, it is not true. I think TikTok is a great platform. It is very educational, in fact. I personally have learned so many things from TikTok, not just about beauty or fashion, but just generally about life. For example, did you know that your toaster had a crumbs tray that needs to be emptied? It does. I wonder if I'm just going to be the only one who didn't know about that and just gonna look stupid. Oops. Anyway, as I've already said, one of the greatest things I found on TikTok is life hacks, and specifically fashion life hacks. So today we are going to see if they are as easy to do in real life as it may seem in short 15-second videos. And the first hack that I want to test is this one. Basically, it's going to help make trousers or jeans that are too big for you fit you again. I've got these trousers here, which are really cool, but they are a bit too loose for me in the waistline.
You can use any string or shoelace for this hack. I'm using a Gucci ribbon, pulling it through the belt loops. Now we tie it and tuck it in, and it looks ridiculous.
Well, this hasn't really worked out as I expected it to, but I have decided to change this life hack a little bit and actually not tuck the string inside of my trousers. And of course from the front it looks very nice. I don't think I would actually wear trousers like this with a little something tied at the back in real life because I just prefer to feel 100% comfortable in my clothes. Okay, let's try a different hack that is also about making your loose trousers fit a bit better. So what you have to do... Ooh. Don't get too excited.
Okay, take the button and put it through one of the belt loops, like this, and fasten your trousers as normal. And from the side, that makes me look kind of pregnant. Moral of the story, just be better at shopping.
So I still think the best option is a belt. Next fashion hack is incredibly simple, but for some reason I have never tried it. And I'm going to try this hack on this gorgeous hot pink blazer.
You will need 2 hair ties for this hack, extra points if they will match the color of your blazer. Put them on each of the sleeves and then roll the sleeves up.
This is actually pretty cool. This is so simple yet so genius. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Try it. It's perfect. 10 out of 10. Next life hack I have been dying to try is about a sweatshirt. Most of my sweatshirts feel really bulky and I always like to tuck them into my trousers, but this hack makes it look so much better, so let's try it.
You'll need 2 hair ties once again. Grab the excess material from both sides of your sweatshirt and tie it like so. Then tuck it all in, and this is how you get your oversized but still flattering look. So go and grab all of your boyfriend's sweatshirts. They are now yours.
How come I've never tried this before? I've been wearing all of these bulky sweatshirts wrong all this time? 10 out of 10. I love the way it's going so far. Let's try another one. Next fashion hack is also about making things cropped, but it is slightly different from the previous one. So I'm going to try this hack on my boyfriend's t-shirt, and I will also need a sports bra.
For this hack, fold and tuck your shirt under your bra band all the way around and try to make it even. With a hair elastic, gather and tie the front of your shirt. Tuck all the excess underneath for a cool cropped look.
Are you kidding me? Honestly, I am so glad I have made it to the Fashion Hacks TikTok, and I think I am never leaving. Okay, the next fashion hack has gone absolutely viral on TikTok, and I am so excited to try it.
Just take your shirt and you just get her in there. And then it'll look like this.
Okay, you ready? Let's do this. I'm pretty excited. So you take one strap, take it off, and twist it like this. Put it back on. I'm wearing the black tank underneath to avoid any booby situation, and then just adjust it. What? Ladies and gentlemen. And now a little commotion for the back. Yes, thank you. Look at her. Oh my god. I am just tripling my summer wardrobe. I'm gonna do this to all of my tank tops. This gets a 1000 out of 10 from me. Thank you. I do think we can take this one step further. Let me know in the comments which version of this life hack you prefer, the previous one or this one with the straps crisscrossing. I think I prefer the first one because it allows you to wear a necklace, because I'm not sure how these necklaces look. Okay, the next fashion hack is so cute. I'm sure you have seen these mini skirts all over Instagram and TikTok. I actually have one just like that. This is my skirt, and these two strings you can tie around your waist and it looks adorable. But we're gonna try and make a skirt like that out of a tank top. I'm just going to use the same one and see if it's actually wearable. Well, I am not the biggest fan of this life hack. It does look cute, but it is way too see-through from the back. Maybe if you choose a black tank top that is going to be a bit thicker in material, but I would refrain from wearing this outside. Maybe for a cute Instagram photo though. The next hack is a really easy way to make an underbust top, which is really trendy right now. For this hack, I'm going to use this crew neck from Guess. It is already cropped, so there is not going to be much to tuck in, which I think is really nice. Let's start tucking. Ooh. Make sure you really tuck everything in so that it looks nice and neat, but I definitely like how it looks. So I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. And last but definitely not least is a hack that will show you multiple ways to wear a front tie top.
I'm going to try the different ways to tie my top one by one and then braid them all together at the end. For the first way, I'm just going to tie my top at the front, making a big bow, which looks kind of cute. Now I will crisscross the sides of my top and then tie them at the back. Ooh, I really like this one. Well, you see what I'm doing here. Making sure to really squeeze my abs as well. I thought this way looks pretty similar to the previous one, so I've decided to spice it up a bit and make a little bow at the front. There you go, girl. Wrap yourself up like a little present.
Well, it's been quite a journey today, wasn't it? I have to say I am pretty impressed with most of these life hacks. Please let me know in the comments below which hack you've enjoyed the most and perhaps are going to try. Or maybe you know a great fashion life hack. Feel free to share it in the comments as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you find this video useful and somewhat entertaining. And if you did, please make sure you give it a like. And maybe, just maybe, you will even subscribe to my channel so that I can see you in my next video.
Look at